siguro yung isa sa mga advanced birthday wish mo matupad, yung makarating ka dito sa Canada. Although na malayo tayo sa isa't isa, I know someday na magkakasama din tayo. Sana yan, huwag kang magbabago. Always keep your feet on the ground and be humble always. Tandaan mo yan. And don't forget to say thank to God for all the blessings na mga binibigay niya sa atin. Ayun, sana huwag mong pababayaan yung sarili mo. And sana this October magkasama tayo. Namimiss na kasi kita. Tayong dalawa lang dito sa Canada. And sana kahit paminsan-minsan nagkakasama tayo. Well, enjoy your day. I wish you to be happy. Huwag kang malulungkot, okay? Always remember that you love you so much and we miss you a lot. I don't know what more to say, but I love you so much. And on behalf of Kuya Ryan and our family, once again, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Yan. I love you. Shopping, okay? Saka, thank you sa lahat. Alam mo na yun, bye! Araw-araw naman tayo mag-uusap, kaya okay na yun. Love you, Queen, bye! Ingat ka lagi dyan, huwag mo papabayaan mo. Yun lang, I love you, happy birthday.
not alone. Tell me you feel it too, 'cause I have run away. I would run away, yeah, yeah. I would run away, run away. I would run away with you, 'cause I'm falling in love with you. No, never have I'm never gonna stop falling in love with you. Close the door, lay down upon the floor, and by candlelight make love to me through the night, 'cause I have run away. I have run away, yeah, yeah. I have run away, run away. I have run away with you, 'cause I'm falling in love with you. No, never have I'm never gonna stop falling.
Birthday, honey. Sana ngayong birthday mo, masaya ka. Sana huwag kang magbabago. Alam ko, unti-unti mo na naabot ang mga pangarap mo. Miss na miss ka na sobra. Miss ka na namin ng mga kapatid mo. Kahit malayo ka, sana lagi ka masaya dyan. Pray lang tayo palagi na bumilis yung araw na magsama na tayo. Miss na ka na talaga sobra. I love you, honey. Happy birthday.